here. I was waiting for my phone to ring from the fire marshal and waiting for the sprinkler system to go off. So well done. I also want to say thank goodness my son wasn't here to see that, because he'd be experimenting around the house. Kids, don't try that at home, please. It's truly a pleasure to be here, and I want to start by saying thank you to Naeem Khalid. I'm sure he's gotten a number of rounds of applause, but let's give him another one. Naeem has not only built such an incredible business that is a part of our community, that employs local residents, that strengthens our economy and our neighborhoods, but he has always stayed committed to helping others and to that mission of community building. And so I want to say thank you to Naeem for his vision, and to everyone who has helped make this event and this organization possible for the last 9 years. I'm sure there are many more people than this, but I know that Hamid and Sarah and Suhail and Erica specifically need to be recognized for the tremendous work that they've done. You know, we are blessed in this city and in this state to have incredible healthcare institutions, and in particular to have incredible healthcare for kids. Connecticut Children's is as good as it comes. But the purpose of this organization is to fill that gap, because while care for the children is so important, families who are struggling with a child who is sick need that help too. And for Sam's Children to step in and recognize that we all have an obligation to help those families that are trying to help their children battle the worst illnesses imaginable is one of the more noble causes we can imagine. So Naeem, thank you again for what you've built. Thank you for what you've done. To everyone who has helped to build this and who shares in its mission by being here, thank you. And I can't wait until the 10th anniversary next year, Naeem. What an incredible event tonight, but I'm sure you will outdo yourself a year from now, and I look forward to being here. And lastly, let me just say that we're also honored, as in the city of Hartford, to welcome the Consul General of Pakistan, who only recently assumed that post about 2 months ago, and has already been to Hartford twice, and we look forward to welcoming her back many, many more times. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful night. Thank you for the college's support.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, everyone.